Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In the previous video, we saw what are the key risks involved in AI systems. In this video, let's dive deep into the principles of responsible AI. Responsible AI is about ensuring that AI systems are designed and used in a way that is ethical, fair, and trustworthy. It's not just about what the technology can do, but what it impacts people and decisions. These principles act like a guiding compass, helping teams make the right choices while building and using AI. First, fairness. Fairness means AI should treat all the individuals equally. It should avoid bias, discrimination, or favoritism that comes from poor data and poor designs. When AI is used for decisions like hiring, lending, or recommendations, fairness becomes critical. No one should be unfairly treated simply because of how the AI was built or trained. Second, accountability. There must be always someone responsible for the decisions made by AI systems. Even when AI automates decisions, accountability doesn't disappear. AI system doesn't take responsibilities, people do. Organizations, teams, and leaders must clearly own the outcomes produced by AI. Third, transparency. Transparency means AI decisions should be understandable and explainable. Users should not feel like decisions are coming from a black box. They should be able to see how inputs led to outputs. When people understand how and why decisions are made, trust in AI systems increases. Fourth, privacy. AI systems often rely on large amounts of personal and sensitive data. That data must be protected at all times. Privacy means using data responsibly, collecting only what is necessary and keeping it secure. Protecting your user data is not optional, it's a fundamental requirement of responsible AI. Fifth is safety and reliability. AI systems should work consistently and correctly. They should behave as expected even when conditions change. Testing is essential to catch errors, weakness, or unexpected behavior. Reliable AI reduces the risk of harm and builds confidence among users. When we bring these principles together, they form a complete picture. Fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, and safety all work as one system. Together, they ensure that AI systems are trustworthy and responsible. They help reduce risks and allow organizations to use AI with greater confidence. Responsible AI is not about slowing innovation, it's about guiding innovation in the right direction. When teams follow these principles, they build AI systems people can trust and rely on. In the next video, we'll explore how organizations use framework to implement these principles in practice.